Hi, I'm John Cahill. I'm here today, and it is
Time for an unboxing.
I received a package in the mail. Ooh, I received a package in the mail, and it is from Amazon Prime. Uh, Years ago, Wizards of the Coast released a card game called Three Dragon Ante. And it has been a fairly elusive card game that now, at least I have seen it selling for as much as $75 on different platforms. And they just released a new version of it. And I ordered it, and I believe that that's what is in this package. So without further ado, I am going to open this package, see if it is, in fact, Three Dragon Ante, and then we'll get into what it's all about. Aha! We'll see. Hopefully it's what I think it is. And yes, it is in fact Three Dragon Ante, just as I suspected. And it is in a much tighter box than the original. Let's see if I still have the original sitting here that I can show you. I think I've already packed it up. It was in just a what would be, I guess, considered similar to a standard cardboard deck box. So in other words, it was only about this big, about that long, not nearly as thick, and it opened from the top, and it was very thin cardboard, which this is not. This is an actual substantial box. So the back of it reads, a rogue, a paladin, and a warlock walk into a tavern to gather information for their next adventure. Drink something tastier than a healing potion and kick back with a game of Three Dragon Ante. The high-stakes game of luck and skill preferred by Dungeons & Dragons characters of all classes and levels. Three Dragon Ante, Legendary Edition, is a fast-paced card game for 2 to 6 players. Play it as a standalone game or use the role-playing rules and ability discs included to add it to your next Dungeons & Dragons session. So what the contents are 70 standard dragon cards, 15 mortal cards, 15 legendary dragon cards, 60 cardboard gold pieces, 30 cardboard platinum pieces, and 6 3DA ability discs to use for combining Three Dragon Ante with Dungeons & Dragons, 6 reference cards, and the rule book. All right, let's take a look inside. I really like the artwork and the finish as well. Again, it's got that shiny artwork that you can hear. And then this is all matte finish. I really, really love what Wizards of the Coast has been doing with their books as well as their boxes and products. Okay, of course, here we have the rule book. Actually, this is manufactured by WizKids, it looks like, which has a huge partnership with Wizards of the Coast. Full color instruction booklet describes the cards, how to use them, how to set up your flight. Oh, for heaven's sakes, I need a new camera. Beautifully illustrated as well. And it comes with a couple of, it comes with a Ziploc bag, which is nice. Let's see, ready? and expended tokens. Then it comes with, oh, here we go. Here are the gold and platinum pieces. Wow. They're nice and thick too. Good stuff. And of course, silica gel. Ooh, my favorite dessert. Okay. The inside, it's a felt-lined plastic holder insert with 2 decks of cards, all of which are used in the game. And there is nothing underneath. Now, of course, it has the ampersand. I don't know if you could see that on here on the felt, but it is a raised ampersand on here. Ooh, that's kind of neat. Could almost use that as a mold for something. All right, anyway. I will open up one of these decks, show some examples of some cards, and then eventually, hopefully I'll get to do a demo game with the other half of Two Kept Men, Mr. Dan Carlson. All right, so the backs of the cards are the same. This is a different backing to the original Three Dragon Ante. Oh, I'm so sorry about this ridiculous Logitech camera. I don't know, maybe just cleaning it off. Maybe that will do something. God, it's so annoying though. Okay. Okay, we have green, legendary. And they have different values, of course. The goal is to have your flight I can't remember now if it's high or low. I'm sorry, it's just I haven't played it in so long. I just cannot recall. What the breakdown is. Beautifully illustrated cards as well. Fairly basic, but you know, hey. Blue Overlord. Ooh, that's a legendary. Let's see, let me get past all the blues. Okay, then we have Black Raider, which is the black legendary. And then several black dragons, of course, all the different flavors. And then a legendary, the legendary Bahamut. Okay, so that's the first deck. Oh, goody. Whatever that was. All right. Each color also has a special feature. So some of them can be used to steal gold. Some of them can be used for other things. Okay, so special flight rewards. This is the card. All right, so that's this. 3DA reminders, power triggers. Your card's power triggers if you are leading the round, or if you play a card that's equal to or lesser than the card just played by the opponent to your right. Tied targets, it describes the lead player in the first round, lead player in subsequent rounds, running out of gold. And then special flight rewards, color flight and strength flight. Color flight is if 3 dragons of the same color or 3 mortals or yeah, 3 dragons of the same color or 3 mortals. Yeah, each opponent pays you gold equal to the strength of the second strongest dragon in the flight. For example, if you have 3 gold dragons of strength 9, 4, and 13, each other player would pay you 9 gold. A strength flight. These cards of the same strength, or 3 cards of the same strength, you steal gold from the stakes equal to the strength of one of the cards in your strength flight. You also take 2 ANTE cards and add them to your hand. For example, you have 3 strength 5 cards in your flight. You steal 5 gold from the stakes and add any 2 of the remaining ANTE cards to your hand. Okay, so just a little bit of the rule stuff here. All right, we have more. Let's see here, green dragons, and then the legendary green is the green shimmer, metallic wormling, legendary, the red dragons, and the legendary is a red destroyer, silver dragons, and the legendary is the silver seer, Tiamat, the white dragons, and the white hunter. Okay, here we're going to the mortals. All right, we've got the archmage, the dragon rider, the dragon slayer, the druid, the fool, the illusionist, the kobold, the merchant prince, the priest, the princess, the prophet, the queen, the sorcerer, the thief, and the worm priest. And there we have it. Those are all the cards that that come with the game. I'm not going to punch the cards as of right now, or the tokens out. I'm going to just keep a hold of them. I'm not going to be able to play it right now anyways. If you have any questions about the game or are interested in any specific aspects of it, go ahead and comment in the comment section. And please like the page or the video, and subscribe to our site, because we are going to be doing more unboxings. So stay tuned, click subscribe, and like the video, and we really would appreciate it. And this has been
Time for unboxing.